to be. Oh, baby, turn up the light. You're gonna make my body fly. Oh, baby, don't you try. She gets me when you talk about it. Oh, baby, turn up.
So you're telling me this is how the girls turn up? Then I'ma stick with the girls.
I'm an ass.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
You ask me what I'm thinking about. I tell you that I'm thinking about whatever you're thinking about.
I've had a lot of questions asked in the past about my room, so here's the review. So whenever you walk in, you see these beautiful leaves that hung up. And this is my pallet bed that me and my friend Allie did over summer as a summer project. Super fun. And I got that swingy chair at TJ Maxx. And over here's my nightstand. These barn doors, they just roll open to reveal windows. And this is my couch. And I literally spent like 6 hours on this visco collage. And there's me. So over here is my snack corner that I love to spend my nights at. And when you open this up, you see my closet, which is kind of messy right now. And then finally, right through here is my bathroom and my steam shower that I'm in love with. So, yeah.
I get many people asking, oh my god, your room is so cool. How do I get my room that cool? You download Pinterest.
Nobody going crazy.
That I can stick to my wall, so I bought 3. A large carpet to put near my mirror so it looks like this. Last is my favorite purchase, which is this LED sign that says hello. So here's my room at night, so go follow me for more online recommendations.